Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rich down here on the river with Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today, what we're going to do for you is my version of an onion smash burger. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next frame. A little extra virgin olive oil in your pan. And we'll come back to you. Everybody, we got our white onions dumped in our pan. We're going to caramelize these until they're really dark and nice and caramelized. And we'll put them on reserve. Alright guys, we're outside. You can hear the wind. This is the mighty Potomac. And she has frozen. I mean, frozen. So this is why I'm not cooking outside today on the grill, because it is way too windy out. There's a little bit of a shot of our front yard and the ongoing neighborhood that no one lives in. So there it is. She's frozen. Woo! Alright folks, well, that's why we're cooking on the stove top today. I don't know about you, but I'm cold. I'm going back in the house. Alright folks, we got our onions just about a couple of seconds from being done. For me, I like mine caramelized like this. They're looking good for me. So we're going to put these on a plate and let these drain. And we're going to take a walk outside. See you then. Alright guys, our burger onion mixture has sat for about an hour. We're going to go ahead and patty this up. We'll get it when we smash it. Everybody, we got our hamburger. Just going to just lightly make a ball out of it like this. Maybe move out a little bit. Alright, so we got our meatball going. Alright, we'll set it down with our parchment paper. Let's give her a smash. We'll hold it. We'll pull our paper off. And we'll get another one going. There we go, folks. Leave them get nice and seared up. We'll get back to you on the flip. Alright folks, it's been a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and give these things a flip and see if we got the crust we want. Oh yeah. That's what we want. Right there. There it is, folks. Look at that crust. So we're going to go ahead and let these things go on until we hit the bun. Alright folks, I told you to see it back at the bun, but there's a couple of things I forgot to do. What we do is we're going to put a little onion that we fried earlier on like this. We held in reserve, and that'll get warmed up by the burger. I'll tell you folks, this is going to be banging with flavor. We got the onions already in the meat. Yeah, so go ahead and let those things warm up. And what we're going to do is we got some ultra thin mild cheddar. We're going to go ahead and cover that like that. Now we're leaving this cheese melt, and we'll see it back at the cutting board on the bun now. Stay tuned, folks. All right, we're back, and we have got our burgers, our onion smash burgers made up. Look at that. The cheese is melted. You see the onions on top of the nice flat burgers. Man, these things look good. And again, smash burgers should be made, in my opinion, to be a blank canvas. You can do anything with them. Simply, what I'm going to do is I just want some pickles on these. That's all I really want. I don't want no condiments. I don't want a bunch of ketchup, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, or mustard. I just want burger, traditional burger, onion and cheese, pickle flavor. Check them out. All right, folks. We'll get back to you when we get these things cut in half for the taste test. That's, I tell you what, this onion smash burger, I'll tell you what, toasted bun, the doneness of the beef, I mean, that thing looks amazing. And just the pickles and in a mild cheddar. So go ahead and get after this thing. Oh my God. Man, I'll tell you, it's juicy. The onions, the caramelized onions, bang, they have a nice flavor. Caramelized, the cheddar cheese, the pickle, the onion in the burger, that thing is amazing. And then you get this rub, the sweet rub mine's savory, kind of bold, but man, this is amazing. Wow. Folks, I can't. Wow. Give us a try. I'll leave the ingredients of what I can, the rubs, and really it was just hamburger, white onions, a tablespoon or two of rub in the hamburger, taste to your tasting, and sesame buns toasted. And guys, what? This is crazy. Really nuts. So we cooked them on the inside because of the weather we're having outside. It's probably a 30-mile-an-hour wind or better. It's about 20 degrees outside minus the wind chill. It's really cold, and we got wind blowing across our front where I do my cooking. It'd be a real bad afternoon. It kind of wouldn't really, I'd just be battling it. So I went ahead and showed you how you could do it with a simple griddle on top of your stove, which turns out just as good because I wasn't after the smoke flavor. And you got a little grill flavor, but I love this. This is a traditional diner tasting burger, smash burger. My version of the onion smash burger. So guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that Weber Smoky Mountain, and when you do, little bell will pop up. Hit that bell, it'll let you know every time I upload, so you don't miss out on none of my good videos, right? You don't want to do that. And what you don't want to not do is not want to share. When you do share with your friends and family and the world. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue definitely comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.